Hello student, I will tell you a story short about the legend of Ruai bird. Once upon a time, a king in West Kalimantan had 7 daughters. The youngest was kind and helpful, while her older sister were lazy, jealous, and bad attitude. The king often advised them to behave like their younger sister, but they hated her even more. One day, the king said, "I'm going to the neighboring kingdom for several months. While I'm gone, my youngest daughter will rule the kingdom. Do you understand?" "Yes, we do, father," they answered, so secretly they were angry. After the king left, they planned something bad. Student, what do you think their evil plan was? Next, the sisters pretended to come and invite her fishing at a stone cave. "Hurry up! Let's go inside the cave. You can find a lot of fish in cave," said the older sister. The youngest helper went in, not knowing they would abandon her. Inside the cave, she lost and cried. Suddenly, she met a holy man. He said, "Don't worry, I can help you. You can return to the kingdom, but you must change into a bird. I name you Ruai bird. Brood these eggs, and when they hatch, the birds will accompany you." She agreed and transformed into a beautiful bird. After the eggs hatched, she returns and watched from a tree as the king finally punishing her cruel sister. According to you, what is the moral message from this story? Thank you.